Hello everyone, welcome back to in this video, we're stepping into the future, introducing the 2025 Futuristic Electric Camper, a revolutionary electric concept vehicle that doesn't just drive, it dances with the road. Imagine a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, sculpted with precision, all the way from its digital cockpit to its illuminated rear diffuser. Picture glass surfaces that shift opacity at a touch, and wheels that retract into the chassis like a beetle hiding its legs. Without subheadings, this script weaves feature into feature, building a vivid portrait of a next-gen marvel. As the camper materializes in your driveway, ambient LED accents glow a cool neon teal, transforming from stealth mode to performance stance when you step closer. Its exterior is pure minimalism, with flush door handles and seamless glass. There's no gas cap, power flows invisibly through ultra-fast wireless charging pads embedded in your garage floor. Metal meets tech in a body made of graphene-reinforced aluminum, so strong yet impossibly light. The low drag coefficient is under 0.18, practically slicing through air like a dagger. It hints that every millimeter of its form is tuned to efficiency. Inside, the 2025 camper feels like a cockpit for a new kind of pilot. You slide into vegan leather seats that softly contour to your spine, embedded with haptic sensors that adapt to your posture. The ambient cabin glimmers with softly diffuse lighting, cycling through frames from deep sapphire to warm sunset orange as you transition between drive modes. There's no traditional dashboard. Instead, a panoramic OLED windshield becomes your interface, overlaying navigation, performance data, and AR elements like ghost car guidance for optimal racing lines. Touch-free controls respond to gestures and voice in multiple languages, and an AI copilot named Aura monitors everything from battery health to your mood, suggesting a calming soundtrack if you're stressed or high-energy playlists when you're ready to dive deep. With 4 electric motors, 1 per wheel, the camper generates instant torque vectoring, dynamically channeling power to each wheel independently. This is not a gimmick, it offers razor-sharp handling, drifting control, and zero understeer. With 800 kilowatts total output, it rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.2 seconds, supercar territory. Yet, thanks to its aero and battery efficiency, it still achieves a real-world range of 850 kilometers on a single charge, even at autobahn speeds. And when you've used it, just park over a charging pad and walk away. In 30 minutes it can recharge 80%, no plugs or cables. This 4-door monocoque isn't just fast, it's smart. Its suspension uses adaptive electromagnetic dampers, instantly adjusting stiffness and ride height based on road conditions and your preferences. It can race to clear a speed bump or drop for better aerodynamics speeding down the motorway. The underbody features variable ground effect tunnels that suck at CL.